In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Booking.com. We'll keep it simple and use the Google sign-up method so you can get started in just a couple of clicks. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to search, save places, and manage your trips from one account. First, open your web browser and go to the Booking.com homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see an option labeled Register. It may sit next to a sign-in button. Click Register. This takes you to the account creation screen, where Booking.com shows several ways to get started. On the account screen, choose the Google option. It's typically labeled Continue with Google and includes the Google logo, which makes it easy to spot. Using Google means you won't need to create or remember a separate password for Booking.com. Instead, your Google account securely handles the sign-in for you. When you click this option, a small window may appear. If you don't see it, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for this site. Next, select the Gmail account you want to use. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see your available accounts. Click the one you want to link with Booking.com. If you're not signed in yet, Google may briefly ask you to confirm your account before continuing. Pick the correct account and follow any on-screen prompts. This step links your Google identity with Booking.com and creates your profile automatically. After you select your Gmail account, you'll be redirected back to Booking.com. You should now be signed in without any extra steps. A quick way to confirm is to look near the top right corner again. You'll see your profile icon or your account menu, which means you're all set. From here, you can start browsing stays, saving favorites, and managing bookings under your new account. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you choose the Google account you actually want associated with travel plans, especially if you use more than one. If a company or shared device is involved, remember to sign out when you're done. And if the Google window doesn't open, enable pop-ups just for Booking.com or try a different browser. That's it. Click Register, choose the Google option, and select your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your next trip with your new Booking.com account.